Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm going to show you how I make truffles. Very easy to make, but I do want to preemptively say I am using a bag of chocolate chips that needs to be used. But typically when you make truffles, you want to use a good quality chocolate, nothing like milk chocolate or chocolate chips for that matter. When you're using the chips, they have stabilizers and coatings on it that might not make the best ingredient for chocolate truffles. But that's what I have on hand today, so I'm going to make it work and just show you an easy way to make them. Very simple, and they make the perfect holiday gift. I like to do this for family and friends. It's easy, you can make a lot of them, and they're delicious, so here's how I do it.
To get started, I'm going to be using 8 ounces of extra dark chocolate chips, and this is a 63% cacao ratio in this chocolate chip. You'll want to use something between 50 and 60. I think that's a good ratio of cacao in the chocolate that you use, and you will want to use something that's not a chip, but like I stated earlier, it's what I have. So I'm going to give it a chop. Now I'm going to microwave 4 ounces of heavy cream for about 45 seconds to a minute, or until it's hot, and now I'm going to pour it over all of my chopped chocolate chips, and I'm going to let it set for about 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, I'm going to start stirring and combining the heavy cream and the chocolate together. You could also use a whisk to combine this a bit better, but my little wooden spoon will do the trick. And you'll want to use a dish that sort of has a flat bottom, or if you're using a mixing bowl, you'll want to add it to something a bit more shallow so it'll have less time to cool and set. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 2 hours to let it cool and set. After an hour, I will be ready to put my truffles together. So here is my set chocolate. Basically what you made is a ganache, and it is set, it is solidified a bit more so it'll make it easier to roll. And here I'm also using a 1/3 cup, maybe a 1/4 cup to a 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. And this is what I'm going to dust it in. You can use the topping or coating of your choice, crushed nuts, sprinkles, it's up to you, but I'm using a dusting of unsweetened cocoa powder. It's my favorite way, and it truly does look like a truffle. So I'm going to roll these out and dust it and place it on my baking sheet lined with parchment paper. So after rolling them out with your very clean hands, you'll want to leave them on the baking sheet and let them set in the refrigerator for another hour, and then you can place them in a container or whatever gift box you're going to serve them in. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.